انعام تو نہیں دیا لیکن کم از کم یہ ہے کہ الفاظ بول لیں تو انعام دلوا لیں گے آپ سے. یہ نہ سمجھے کہ اصل میں انعام پکڑا ہوا ہے اس لیے کہ یہ سیاسی لیڈر بھی ہیں, یہ بھی سیاست دان ہے, تو میں نے کہا تھوڑا سا بول لیں.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, first of all, congratulations to all of the teams that took part in this competition, because without teams, nobody's going to win a competition. But also, congratulations to every single individual who played today, the batters, the bowlers, the fielders, and everything you did. It's very hard playing cricket. I know what it's like. And, you know, for you to come out on a day like this and spend your entire day playing this cricket competition for the Independence Day of Pakistan, which is the most important thing. And once again, Pakistan Muslim Centre, Zishan Shah, Fiyaz Shah, for the contribution that you make, because without somebody organising this, there would be no competition. So that's very, very important. Also to the sponsors, I mean, the funny thing is, as a politician, we look for sponsors for events. This time, Shah Sahab got money out of me for a sponsorship for a competition. I'm not quite sure how that works. So we take money, but this time we give him money. But I'll tell you why we give it. Mr. Manoj Sahab said, you need support to hold competitions. It's not about the money. You know, money comes and money goes. We earn it, we give it. And if I don't sponsor this year, I may sponsor something else somewhere else. But the point is, you can't do one without the other. Politicians can't survive without businesses and people. People can't survive without sponsors and support. And that's what we look for. So I would ask all the businesses, if you added up how many businesses Pakistani communities or any Muslim community has in Rotherham and Sheffield, it goes into the thousands. We give millions and millions of pounds into taxes, which is why we have the flags up here. So the Pakistani flag and the British flag is part of one of the same. So don't let anybody say that this is not your country. This is our country. We do contribute more and more than many people do. So let's not forget that. And the cricket competition here demonstrates that the Pakistani community is working for everybody, and that's what it's all about. So thank you very much, and hopefully you'll do something again next year.
میں دو لفظ کہنے کے لیے کہوں گا کہ استاد محترم سے کہ وہ تشریف لائیں. یہ ہمارے ٹیچر ہیں, میں کہوں گا, اور جناب دو الفاظ کہنے کے لیے. جناب ان کے جو بیٹے ہیں, سفیان نام ہے ان کا, اور وہ اس وقت یارکشائر کی میرا خیال انڈر 19 میں سلیکٹ ہو چکے ہیں, اور بہت اچھے بالر ہیں. آپ ان کو جانتے ہوئے ان کے لیے تالیاں.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم, بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم, نحمدہ و نصلی علی رسول الکریم, اما بعد. It's my great pleasure to be amongst you, the people who are the future, not only for our nation but for this country as well. And I'm very grateful to the people on my right, particularly Munawwar, Maroof, and particularly Muhammad Ali Bhai, who have been working strenuously hard to provide platforms for our communities in this country, in this city, in this county, mashallah. Because I have been directly or indirectly involved with cricket as well. Maybe Muhammad Ali Bhai may remember a long time ago we started an Asian Cricket League in this city. Maybe about 3 decades ago roughly. And it seems like an age away. But it's nice to see that things have progressed on many counts, on many fronts, including cricket as well. And all I can say is, for me, everybody who is from the community is my own, and these people have proved you all are our own. Anybody who succeeds, progresses, is a flag bearer for the nation. And as Maroof said, this is our country as well. So we are the flag bearers for this place as well. May Allah be with you. May Allah give you successes. Remember, anything like this, in my judgment, in my observation, the priorities should be participation, competition, and then winning. Usually we take the winning as our goal. Yes, it should be the goal, but it should be in that order. May Allah be with you. Okay. They are insisting me to share this with you. Please, I think, yes, as they say, it's proud for you as well, for me, particularly for us as well, for the family, that he has worked very hard. He has been selected in the current Yorkshire Under 19 squad, and he has played about 3 matches for that. The next match is this Wednesday and Thursday in Todmorden, and they're playing against Lancashire Under 19s. So please pray for him.
استاد محترم کے ساتھ اب عاشق بھائی سے تشریف لائے. میں کہوں گا 2 لفظوں کے لیے.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सब भाइयों को। माशाल्लाह मैं समझता हूँ कि काफ़ी कुछ कह दिया है। बहरहाल एक बात छोटी सी कहना चाहूँगा कि माशाल्लाह जिस तरह पीएमसी ने और जनाब सैयद फयाज नकवी साहब ने जो कोशिश की अल्लामा इकबाल लीग को सेट करने की, और जो सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए है, आपको भी पता है माशाल्लाह आप यहीं के पैदाइश हैं, यहाँ यहीं पैदा हुए आप सभी। आपको पता है जिस तरह के हमारे जो हालात हैं हमारी कम्युनिटी के, हमारे नौजवानों के, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एक बहुत अच्छी काविश है कि जो अल्लामा इकबाल लीग सेट किया, और जो शाह साहब ने अपने बच्चों को, शाह साहब और पीएमसी ने जनाब मोहम्मद अली भाई चेयरमैन है, जो इन्होंने अपने नौजवानों को एक खेल की तरफ, एक खेलों की तरफ लगा दिया है, और मैं समझता हूँ ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है। और इससे ये है कि अगर आप खेलेंगे